Triumph Property Management in Las Vegas, Nevada presents a one-story house on 2409 Bird's Nest Cactus Court in Las Vegas, Nevada. This home is in a gated northwest community with shopping, schools, parks, casinos, and easy highway access nearby. The home features an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and attached 2-car garage. The entry has a tile floor. The living room is carpeted and has a sliding glass door to the backyard. The open kitchen has a breakfast bar, laminate counters, center island, and kitchen appliances. The second bedroom has carpeting and a walk-in closet. The full second bathroom has a water closet and a tub shower combo. The third bedroom has carpeting. The master bedroom is separate and has carpeting and a ceiling fan with light. The master bathroom has a double sink vanity, water closet, and a tub shower combo. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with 1,385 square feet is available now for sale. Contact one of Triumph's friendly real estate agents to view this property by calling 702-367-2323 or visit our website, vegasrentnow.com, to view our list of vacancies.